What did the master of the universe say? I have been sent to complete. To complete what? The goodness, the beauty, the best of morals. In other words, the finest character traits. Until my time, there were deficiencies. So many prophets came, so many divine laws were sent, so many scriptures were revealed, yet there was still something missing. Why was I sent? To complete that missing part. This is a great hadith. After the character of the Master of the universe, no moral quality is incomplete. Seeking something more perfect or superior would mean denying the verses and hadiths. If you remain within his sunnah, you will live with the highest character. What does the hadith say? My example and the example of the prophets before me is like a grand palace. The walls of the building have been beautifully constructed. The bricks, the adobe, everything is beautifully built. But there is a missing brick. The entire wall is perfect. But one brick is missing, leaving a gap. People came to admire the building. Look, this palace is finished, they said. They looked and admired, saying, what a structure, how solid, how beautiful. This is masterfully done, they said. Then as they walked around, they noticed something. Oh my, what does this mean? Why is this brick missing? That empty space cast a slight shadow over the perfection of the entire building. Until I was sent, all the prophets, all the divine laws, built the structure of Allah's religion. Every prophet who came strengthened it further. What kind of religion is this? They wondered. Many divine laws came, but they all had a missing piece. Then I was sent, and I filled that missing brick. With me, all prophets reached their completion. I became the seal, the final signature of all the prophets. I placed the final stamp, and the one who signs is the one who is acknowledged. I signed it because I am the last of the prophets. With me, this mission is complete. And the verse points to this truth. Today I have perfected your religion for you. The only religion is Islam. All prophets were Muslim, but today your religion has been brought to its final completion. Why? Because if you seek perfection from the time of Prophet Adam, and even beyond perfection, if you seek absolute completion, if you seek the highest level of perfection, then know that it is found in the completion of the religion and divine law of Prophet Muhammad